welcome to 2025. Just wanted to quickly touch base on a few things. A lot of us are, getting our cars prepped, checked over, ready for the new season. A few things that just want to remind everybody to check. First one is fire extinguishers and dates on fire extinguishers, okay? Just want you to make sure you're aware there's only a 3-year usage date on fire extinguishers. So make sure you check your date on your fire extinguisher. Last thing we do is get to the track and you get told you can't race because your fire extinguisher's out of date. Second one is your race harnesses, okay? Quite easy. Again, just make sure all your harnesses, all your tags are going to have a date on them, okay? Make sure that all your straps have got the date on and a tag. If they don't, again, you're going to risk the chance of a scrutineer coming through and ruining your weekend. Well, you're going to ruin your weekend by your car not being compliant. They're going to, enforce it. So just take a look at it. Make sure you read your date. Some belts have extended lifespan on them. If you're not sure, make sure you find out a bit more about that from scrutineers or Motorsport Australia. But they'll always say, they can't be used after a certain date. So check that out. If your belts are out of date, we do have belts on our website. Okay, we've got the Raceworks ones, brilliant belts. I highly recommend them. Adjustable, very easy adjustable. Anyway, take a look. I recommend it. We'll go back to the first one with the fire extinguishers. Again, for the current regs of last year, making sure your fire extinguisher is accessible from your driver's seat. Okay, while you're in driver's seat, we do have our special brackets for our fire extinguishers, so don't forget we've got those. Another one just to check periodically and quite regularly is your fuel hose, the one from your fuel filter to your fuel rail. If you've got the original genuine one on there, there's a very good chance that if you pull the cover back and squeeze it, you'll see it's got a series of cracks through it, okay? Take a look on the website, we've got replacement hoses for that, but just in case anyone has missed it, the metal fuel covers for the earlier model vehicles, don't forget you need to have those and they need to be bolted in. So we've got the nut-cert kits, which we can sell separately or together. Making sure your toe straps are in good condition. Last thing you need to do is find one, like this is a bit average, but it's still quite strong and sturdy. But just check it, make sure it's not too frayed or anything. If a recovery vehicle hooks onto it and that snaps halfway going up a tow truck or something, it's going to cause chaos. So take a look at your toe straps. If you need any, we do sell the Raceworks ones. We do have a series of different colours available. These are only a couple of the ones we've got. So again, take a look at the website. They're all on there. Please don't hesitate. Pick up your phone, give me a call, send me a message, email me, whatever you need to do. Always here to help. So yeah, hopefully you'll have a great, successful season this year. Wish you the best. Thank you.